Hi, welcome back to another tour video. Now, if you haven't seen the first Hilton tour video, I'm going to put the link in the description below. After watching this video, you can click on that link and watch that video too. Alright, now we have that out of the way, let's get into this video. I'm Janet and this is Lifestyle by Janet. In today's video, I'll be taking you on a Hilton room tour. I got to spend a night here and I have to say I'd love to do it again. It was amazing. Alright, when you step into the room, the first thing you see is the wardrobe. In here, you'll find the iron, the ironing board. That's my backpack, kindly ignore it. And of course, a safe to keep all your valuables. The room is modern and functional and it has quite a number of hidden features which you'll get to see in a bit. As you can tell, I filmed this video in the evening, but don't worry, you'll still get to see the beautiful view this room has in the morning. Just keep watching. Okay, so midway of this filming, I started feeling really cold and decided to look for the AC and use the remote control to increase the temperature, you know, like a regular hotel room. But this ain't a regular hotel room because obviously I didn't find the AC or the remote. Instead, I found this panel right here in the wall and an air vent. So this right here controls the room temperature. I started decreasing the temperature, but I mean, it wasn't stopping. It was almost at 0 degrees. And I decided, nah man, if this panel gets broken right now, it means I'm going to freeze tonight. So I took the temperature back up. Here's the air vent. I mean, trust Transcorp Hilton to be extra in everything they do. After all, they're a luxury brand. Now the bathroom has all the supplies you need: soap, shampoo, shower cap, lotion, hair dryer, shaving stroke, makeup mirror. I mean, name it, it has it. What really wowed me about the bathroom was the speaker in there. So whatever you're listening to in the room that's on the TV also plays in the bathroom. Now here's the wow factor. The speakers in the room and in the bathroom are exclusive of each other. So you can mute the TV in the room but still have the sound playing in the bathroom. I mean, the bathroom has its own volume buttons on the wall. How awesome is that? Once you take out this key card, the lights in the room go off after about a minute or so, but the TV still remains on though. Time to face the most important thing in this room, the bed. This bed is super comfy. It feels like you're lying on, how do I describe this? I mean, just come experience it for yourself. A night in this room costs about 70,000 naira, and I guarantee you it's worth every single penny.
And smarter, and stay up to date with Exit. Brilliant it is with the real news on the Live TV 3.0 Uncensored. Pause and rewind live programs on the Live TV app directly on your device and back it up to 50.
This video shows you guys just the hotel room and its amenities. If you'd like to see the interior of the hotel, I mean other places aside the room, just leave your comment below. And just like this video, I might film a video showing you guys the interior of Transcorp Hilton, Abuja. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. It's absolutely free. Just click on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell, and that's it. You're in for more lifestyle content. Thought I was done? Nope. I'd like to show you some cool in-room features. Now, this TV isn't just a TV, it contains so much more. Aside the regular, channel guide and TV apps, which most TVs contain, this also has the in-room dining menu, guest services, weather report, promotions. I mean, everything you basically need to know about Transcorp Hilton Abuja. Let me take you through it. Told you about the view in the morning. Well, here it is. It's so beautiful.